Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the new Galaxy Watch 4 that already announced today. So I'm just going to summarize what we know, and then it's going to release on the 27th, and then something that you need to know before you buy the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So let's get the video started. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so, because I will give you good contents every single week for your smartwatch, smartphone, or even your tablet. So let's get started. So Samsung has released two types of model, Classic and the Watch 4, and both of them have Bluetooth and LTE version. The Bluetooth model would be $350 for the Classic, and then $400 for the LTE version for the Classic. And the Watch 4 will be a little bit cheaper, will be $250 for the Bluetooth version and $300 for the LTE version. And both of them is going to operate by the Google OS. So which means there's going to be Play Store inside the watch. So because there's a Play Store, so this year both watch will have 16 gig storage and 1.5 gig RAM. And around 40 hours battery life, depends how you use it. So which means that if you are looking to do the Google Voice on your watch, we are not sure how does it work, because there's already Bixby button already inside the Galaxy Watch. So we're not sure this year how does it work with the Google Voice and Bixby Voice together. So let's talk about the design. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic will be a little bit more premium than the Watch 4, okay? So basically, it's going to be a little bit more expensive, and there's going to be rotation bezel on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. On the other end, the Watch 4 will be just a normal active, okay? No bezel, nothing like that. So that will be what we're expecting from the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and the Watch 4 Classic. So this is it. This is the basic summary for the Watch 4 and the Watch 4 Classic. Please subscribe my channel, share this video. I will do a little review on the Z Fold 3 on my next video. Stay tuned and have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.